Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add different payment types to the system, for example PayPal or Bacs or something like that. So what we do is we will log ourselves in, so administrator. We're going to go to settings and administration, software settings. We're going to go to basic store settings. Okay, and then what we're going to need here is we are going to find payment methods there. So we click on payment methods. So at the moment there is none in there apart from the standardized cash, card, check. So we click on add a new payment method. So let's go for Bacs, press accept. Then it'll add what type of payment that actually is. So Bacs is generally a mail order payment. So it's not something that's being put through as cash, card or check through your system. It's being done via a completely different means. So mail order is the one to choose for that one. We'll press accept. And then we'll do another one as well. So we'll go to add. And let's go for PayPal, for example. We'll throw that in. We'll do that again on the mail order. Go to accept. That pops those two in there. So you've got a Bacs and a PayPal method. So we go to save those settings. Go back over to the sales screen. So say for example, someone has done a mail order or phone order for this type of stuff and they paid it through your bank account. Literally all you have to do is obviously go to proceed and go for mail order. So we'll go for mail order. And we'll go with the actual price, which is 148.76. Go to accept. It'll then ask you which type of payment method this is. Now you can put it through as a generic standard mail order payment, or because you want to break down your types of mail order payments, we'll go for Bacs. Press accept. Accept transaction. And there you go. It's now processed that under a Bacs payment effectively. So then you can do any more statistical information based on your Bacs payments. I do hope this has been useful. Thank you very much for checking us out. I'll see you next time. Thank you.